In southeast of China, there is one famous shoe city called Jinjiang. And in Jinjiang, there is one of top branded shoe machine manufacturer called KCLKA. Hello, this is Ellen. It's nice to see you again. Today, I would like to take you on a tour of our factory, KCLKA, so that you get to know our factory better. Let's go. Our company total have 5 workshops for different kind of machines, assembling and testing, with a facility covering over 40,000 square meters. This is our EVA injection workshop with a monthly capacity output more than 100 units. This is our 2-color EVA injection workshop. This is our rubber injection workshop for single color and 2-color. And this is our automatic Phylon hot and cold machine. This workshop is our rotary machine workshop. Produce various type of rotary machine including upper machine, PVC air blow machine, rain boot machine, and different type of rotary machines.